Hey guys, we're back with another unboxing video. This week we are doing Forbidden Geek. Forbidden Geek box is a comic book. You get like 10 comic books and some type of like figurine or something, but it's mostly comic books. So all right, once you open up the case, this is what you see. All right, you want to do the first thing?
Yeah.
Oh, what is it? What is it? What is it?
A Shazam pop.
Ooh, that's cool. Oh, I haven't seen that movie yet. Oh, I've been wanting to see it. I'm gonna try to go this weekend and go see it.
There looks like there's 6 in this collection that you can get. And we got Shazam.
Oh, that's super cool. I like this a lot. That's so cool. I'm really digging this.
Your brother's gonna be jealous.
I know. My brother went and saw this last weekend, and he was talking about how great it is. See, all right. And let's see this out. All right. Just a bunch of paper. Okay. All right. Let's see what's. Looks like it's just the comic books, but I think there's a plastic around it. Yeah. All right. Let's see if I can get. Okay. Hold on. Let's see.
You're showing them though.
I don't need to. Let's see. Let me try to get it open. Look at that. Alright. I think there's going to be like 10 comic books. And then there's going to be one comic book that's a. It could be a rare comic book. Like a first edition kind of thing. Alright, let's see. Alright. Alright, let's do the first one. Alright, the first comic book is All-Star Batman. Oh, that's cool.
I like the cover art.
I do too.
That's sweet.
This is so cool. I like this. And this is from look like a 2017.
So that's a newer.
Yeah, it's a newer comic book. But yeah, and this is number 12. Yeah, All-Star Batman number 12. I like that one.
Okay. I have Green Lantern. Can you see?
Oh, I like that one too. Oh, and this box is gonna be nothing but DC.
Is part 5 of 6.
Uprising, yeah, number 33, Green Lantern. It's the new 52. So what that means is, say from the beginning until before this, there was one storyline. Okay? And then before that, they rebooted everything, the whole universe. So that's what the new 52 is.
Oh, okay.
That's the new, so everybody has a little bit different, it has different storylines. Some of them had different origins, different outfits, that type of stuff. But I think now they've gone back to rebooted it back to the original before the 52. I don't know. But, all right, what's the next one? Ooh, is this Justice League?
Yeah.
It is Justice League of America. Oh. All right, this is part 2 of 6. And it's the new 52. And it's a newer comic. Oh, that's so cool. I like that one. I like this one. So when you buy this box, you can pick DC, you can pick Marvel, or you can pick a Heroes. What does this say? Different kinds. It could be Marvel, DC, any different comic book can be in it.
This is Universe Online Legends.
I haven't heard of that.
Number 7.
Oh wow, okay. That's Batman. But does it? I don't know. I'd have to read that one. Oh wow, okay. All right. The next one is What is it? Was it?
Who's that?
Team 7?
Team 7.
Yeah, Team 7. Oh, it's a DC comic. It's a number 5. I haven't heard of this one, but it looks good. It's got an advertisement for Arrow, which I saw all the first season. I haven't seen since. And they're right at their 8th season now. I haven't caught. I'm so far behind all of my DC shows.
This is Future's End.
Ooh.
I don't know what this.
Oh, I don't know what that one is either. And it's a new 52.
It's number 43.
Oh. I have to read that one too. I don't know what that one is. Oh, that's cool.
Ooh, what's that? Black and white Batman statues?
That's Batgirl. Oh yeah. Oh, you.
That's what I was looking at.
Oh, that's kind of cool. All right, let's get to it. Let's get to it. Oh, Justice League of America.
What number is that?
This is
Number 2?
number 2.
We have number 2 and number 6.
Oh, okay. Oh, all right. So I gotta go to the local comic book store this weekend. I gotta get the rest of them because I want to get the rest of them. That'd be cool. That's a cool comic.
How many is this? Oh, there's quite a few.
Yeah, there's quite a few more.
Okay, this is the Phantom Stranger. Number
Ooh.
10.
I've never heard of that one. That's a cool cover. Look at that. What? Oh my god, look at that. It's got baby heads on it.
Ooh.
Ooh. All right, I am definitely gonna read this one. This looks so cool. Yeah, all right, I'm gonna get that one. All right, next one. Ooh, Teen Titans. I have never owned a Teen Titans comic book. It's my first one. Did you see the movie? Teen Titans Go to the Movies?
Yeah.
I love that movie. I'm not a big fan of the cartoon. I have seen them, and they're fun, but I just never really watched them. But I saw the movie. The movie is awesome. The Stan Lee cameo in it is really good. I like the Teen Titans Go to the Movies. If you get a chance to watch it, go watch it. It's out on now. I think I watched it on HBO.
Alright, this is Steel. Number 5.
Oh, okay. Oh, that's an old comic
Yeah,
book.
so just.
Let's see if we find a date. Well, it's a $1.50 comic, so it's 90s. 94. It's a 94. And it's in good shape. All these comics are really good shape. I have to give it to them. Like, it's a really good shape. All right, next one. Okay, this one's bagged and boarded. Okay, so this is gonna be the. You have a chance to get a number 1 of a special issue or whatever. All right, you ready? Drum roll, please. Let's see if we got a good one. What do we get? Harley Quinn number 1.
Oh, wow.
What? Oh, wow. It's a Harley Quinn number 1.
That's pretty cool.
Oh my goodness.
You gonna show the people?
It's a Harley Quinn number 1. That's so cool. Do you see that? And it's got a sticker on it for $25. But I wonder what it's now. Wow. That's super cool. Okay, so you know about Harley Quinn? Harley Quinn is from the first scene in the cartoon, the 90s Batman cartoon. And she was so popular in the 90s cartoons, Batman cartoons, they made her own comic book. So she is actually from the cartoon before she was in comics.
Oh.
This is going to be framed. I have a hallway right over there. And then the whole hallway is full of number ones, signed comics, some of the more expensive ones. I have them framed up in the hallway.
Yes.
I like that one. All right, let's see what the next one is.
Is this the last?
Yep.
This is it.
Oh wow, that's cool.
What is this? It's a book.
Uh-huh.
Superman. Number 2.
What? Oh wow.
Batman was in there.
Yeah. So what they do is
Volume 2, Return to Glory.
they take, let's say if there's a run of comic books, let's say there's 10 or 20 of them, they will put them all together into a big book like this. So you don't have to get every comic. Oh man. All right, that's the box. So this is called Forbidden Geek. It's about a $24 box, and it's free shipping. I really like this box.
But if this sticker is any indication, you get your money back with your back and bordered
And
number 1 edition comic.
And all of these all these comics are in great shape. Like they're not ripped, they're not torn, they're not rode on. I really dig this one. Yeah, I would buy this box again, 100%. What do you think about it?
6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12. You get 12.
You get 12. So you get 10 regular, 1 high value, and then 1 a bigger a book. And you get a pop figure. Oh yeah, and don't forget about the pop figure. The Shazam pop figure. And oh man. Hold on, let's get a price of the pop figure and we'll be right back. Okay, we're back. Looked up the price of the pop. The pop is $10. This is a pretty good price for the pop. It's okay, it's about average. I could not find I couldn't find this online. I looked everywhere. So it says $25 on this little sticker. So we're gonna say it's 25 bucks. So just right with these two by itself, it's $35. And I paid $24 for the box. And that's not including these other 11 comic books. So yeah, I think we did a good job on this one. So, all right, well, if you want this box, I'm gonna put a link in the description. And all right, well, we'll see you next week. Bye, you guys.